Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve Android WCAG keyboard violations. WCAG 2.1.1 titled Keyboards states that all functionality of a user's content must be operable via a keyboard interface. The intent of this success criterion is to ensure that users who interact with your application via a keyboard or alternative input device are able to access all of your application's content. Did you know that many different input devices within the realm of accessibility use keyboard input strokes, such as speech input software, leaf switches, jelly bean switches, and sip and puff software? Not only must all content be accessible via keyboard, but that content must also not require specific timings for individual keystrokes. There is an exception to this criteria when the underlying functionality requires input that depends on the user's path of movement. Examples of these exceptions include a watercolor painting program because the brush strokes would depend on speed and duration of each movement, or a flight simulating program because the nature of the simulator is to teach the individual real-time behavior of flying an aircraft. For more details on the specifics of WCAG keyboard violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a keyboard violation with help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can pay my rent. Here we have a keyboard violation. Because the object containing the violation does not have its own resource ID, we can click into the object to see further information about the screen containing this violation. Now that we know what screen this violation is on, let's pull up our emulator so we can take a look. From our emulator, we can try using the screen's functionality. Awesome, it looks like we're able to swipe to generate a random number. The problem is, when we turn on TalkBack, it's not so easy. Let's pull up an emulator with TalkBack enabled so we can show off this violation. Now, with the screen reader enabled, let's try using the same screen's functionality.
2.1. Swipe to generate a number. 1. Navigate up. Character, capital N.
So we're unable to swipe to generate a random number, thus this user cannot access their application's functionality. Let's see if we can resolve this violation from the code. We can resolve this violation by adding an alternative input control, such as a button, such that this screen's functionality can be accessed via a keyboard interface. In an effort to resolve this violation, we've made two small changes. First, we've added a button to the XML file, and second, we've added a listener to this button to generate a random number. Let's check out our emulator now to see if this violation is resolved. Now let's try navigating this screen's functionality with TalkBack enabled.
2.1.1. Swipe to generate a number. Generate a number button. Double tap to activate.
Awesome, so now all users are able to access this screen's full functionality, thus resolving the keyboard violation. And just like that, we've resolved our keyboard violation. Did you know about puff and sip input devices? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.